We're going? Yes? Cool. Okay, so this video is an answer to a question on release, and can you consciously release the body? Can you consciously release the subconscious, essentially? And so because this video, or this question is on the Qi Gong course, the Qi Gong program, this is where we have an ability to gain access to our subconscious more easily, because we're working with energy. So as you're progressing through the Qi Gong course, let's say you've done vital breathing, and you've worked vital breathing through into a big sphere, right? You've done it through the bodies, you've saturated the rings, you've saturated the bodies. You do it in a big sphere around you. This is one way in which we can start to have energy work on subconscious release, or opening up parts of ourselves that we're not 100% aware in. Just gonna walk over this way a little bit as we go. Going, truck's loud there. So as we do this, we want to make sure that we're touching the part of ourselves that is perceived to be tight. Okay? Now this can be an issue because, of course, how are we aware of something that we're not aware of? It's our subconscious. Now, the easiest thing to do is go, okay, what are you conscious of? Squeeze your fist, you're consciously tight, you relax, you release. That's a conscious tension that you've now let go. So when people do say, because this is in response to a question mentioning in other courses, this student has been told that it's very difficult or impossible to let go what you're not aware of. And in a sense, this is true, but also, if you're working with subconscious layers of energy, it allows you to open up those layers of yourself more easily. So a basic way to do this would be something as simple as whole body and field core breathing with vital energy, with astral energy, specifically those two, and then as you get into the mental, just opening up that space will do the trick for these particular energies. This will allow what's inside to start to leave the body, these stagnations, these tensions. Okay, now, very important, if we worry about release or worry about relaxation, we are getting in the way of it. It is an oxymoron, it is in contrast to itself. So we need to make sure that we are doing this comfortably and easily. We want to try easy, or don't try at all. Just do the exercise freely and openly. Now, because this is such a good question, I am going to add a whole lesson in the Qi Gong program on how to do this and ways of working through physical injuries and emotional injuries to very specifically depressurize them out of the body so that we can start to find some freedom in this. Okay, so that'll come down the line probably, a few months into the program once we have enough of a base. So it's very valuable to learn how to do this. Now, back on this topic of stressing too much about relaxing. We can't do that. It's not going to help. So what you want to start taking note of is when you engage in an activity that let's say you go for a walk in a park like this, and as you're walking, you notice you go, and a chunk of your subconscious that was holding lets go. You want to note that. Where were you when that happened? What did it feel like when a part of you let go and relaxed? And just become aware of these events and moments throughout the day. Carry around a little notebook with you, or make a note in your phone of every situation that you encounter throughout a day that you relax in. If it's walking in a park, do that more. Whatever you notice that's on that list, do more of that. And this will help you over time gain more control over situations that help you release. Maybe it's going to a massage, maybe it's sitting in a sauna. Everyone's different, so maybe it's a nice conversation with a caring friend. Whatever it is for you that helps, you want to do as many of these things as you can on a daily basis to help you in this process. As you tune into that feeling of what it feels like to let go, to release from a natural setting, you'll be able to remember that feeling, and then from that memory, induce a very similar state of release. Okay, so this is hopefully enough to help you get started, and keep trucking through the programs, keep doing just vital core breathing. I think we get into that around week 6 or so of the course, going out into the field. and you work that, and that will help quite a bit. Okay, now work through the process so you have a good understanding of energy, you can feel it, you can work with it, you've gone through the protocols so that it's easy once you get there, and then you can do it. All right, hope this was helpful. Enjoy, practice, try easy, have fun, explore. Okay, bye. Thank you.